LeadsLeap tutorial. Hi there, my name is Basi. Once again today with another video on LeadsLeap. LeadsLeap, as you can see right here in front of me, is one of the tools that I use for building my business online. So this company has been around since 2008, and it's amazing for the fact that this tool, one can use it for free, absolutely free, 100% free. But the only thing is that there are some few limitations if you are using a free account on LeadsLeap. So but actually, what can you get by using this LeadsLeap tool for building your business online? Let's look at the things that you can get as a free member. Okay, so it says we are giving away a free lifetime membership. Okay, so you have a site that you can come and do your business, do your stuff 100% free. The website is hosted for you. Okay, here we go. So LeadsLeap now, it says you get free traffic to your website. They are human and not bots. Okay, let me explain how that works. So I'm going to go to my account right here. So I'm right here inside my account, LeadsLeap account, which I have logged in. Now, as you can see on the right hand side, you have adverts. These are adverts. So, and as a LeadsLeap member, what you do is, if you are a free member, you click more than 10 ads a day. So these are real human. That's what makes it real human. And if you are not a free member, if you are a pro member like me, that I am a pro member, so I will have to click just only 10 adverts every day. So, and as I'm clicking those 10 adverts every day, people also will click on my own advert. And if they find whatever I'm promoting, or whatever any person is promoting on this website, so they're attracted to it, they'll click on it, they take a look at it, and if they are happy, they could buy or they could subscribe. So that's why I'm saying it's real human. It's not bots. They don't use bots on this website for traffic. So any subscription that you get on this website, as long as the person pops in their correct email, so that means that is a genuine lead. Okay, for instance, I want to click on one of the ads now. See, so you come on this website and you serve the ads. So, and this is how the ad is being served every day. So I click that. That is going to open someone's website. Okay, it's loading right now. So you see, that is somebody's website. So, and I have to wait for about 10 or 15 seconds or so. That's somebody's website. That's their business they are promoting. Okay, and you got it there. So that's their business. Someone is promoting there. So then I haven't served for a while, because as a free member, even if you don't serve the ads, people will still click on your ads. And by the way, the ads that I used to run on this site for some time now, I haven't. So I close that. Then I come back here and I click again on another one. Okay, and then I open. It says continue surfing. So I click that. So that is loading. That's another website there. It comes with a capture page. So, and I wait for some few seconds, and it's counting down here, somewhere here. And it says today I have got 0.8 credits. Okay, so I'll close that and I click another one again and then open it. So you see at the bottom there it says I've got 1.8 credits today. It says it says traffic you will get 2. Okay, that's 2 people will click on my site as well. So these are real human, they are not bots. So I click another one again, and then as you can see there are ads popping up everywhere. So I'll click that and that is opening. That's another person's website, and I have bought something here before. I've also seen some opportunity that makes a whole lot of sense to me, and I pop in my name and my email and I took a look at them. So this is great. It's a great place to get some free traffic. So let's go back at the LeadsLeap pages. More things that you get for signing up with LeadsLeap, even as a free member. So another thing that you get there is leads manager. You get a leads manager, so you can create up to 10 leads lists. So like autoresponder, where you could be capturing emails and then they could be going in there. So I use LeadsLeap, but because my business, I'm planning to looking at building my business very, very big. So because of that, I redirect my captured emails into autoresponders like GetResponse and Aweber. So that's what I do. So because there's a little bit of some limitation with LeadsLeap list building. Okay, so but it's amazing. People are building it, people are using it and building businesses. Okay, and then you also get you could build 10 pages. Okay, it's got a page builder. You could build up to 10 pages and hosting is included, so you don't have to host them. So they'll host everything for you. And then you also have tracking. Okay, 199 trackers and 10 rotators. So you could rotate your links, you could track everything that is going on. So if you want to pay tracker out there, things like Click Magic, they are very expensive. They can be very expensive, and depending on how much visitors you're expecting on the website, so it can be very expensive. But this is tracking for you for free. So and then make money. So you also could make money by referring someone to LeadsLeap, even if as a free member. So you get paid about $8 or so. And then if you are a pro member, because the cost for LeadsLeap a month is about $27. So as a pro member, you get paid about $13 something. So, and if you have like, let's say 50 people that actually upgrade to pro, or 100 people or 200 people, some people do have up to 600 people, even 1,000 people that upgrade to pro. So if you have like, for example, 300 people that upgrade to pro, and then you multiply that by 13 by 300, it's a chunk of money. So you could make, then if you're a free member, so you could multiply that by, let's say, $8 times maybe 200 or 300 if you have that. So I've currently at the moment I've got followers that are following me on this platform, up to about 90 something of them, and honestly I have not really put in any effort to like say I'm promoting this, but I think because of people see it online and they sign up, so it's kind of something like a syndicate. So then they drop under my under me. So it's been amazing using this system. I'm going to show you what is possible with the LeadsLeap, the kind of capture pages I've been able to create using this LeadsLeap capture page creator. So, and there's some more and more stuff, and the good thing is that it is 100% free for a lifetime. So if you upgrade your account and you think that it's not really giving you what you really want, you can downgrade and you still have your account, so you don't lose the account. So it's your account for life, forever. So, but a lot of people that upgrade, that are using it because they are using it for their business, for building their business, so they tend to keep it. So the tendency for them to keep it for over a long period of time is very high. So, and that is the good thing about it, because as people keep it and they are using it over a long period of time, they are paying the monthly fee every month to keep the pro account. So the tendency to make a whole lot of money is very, very high. And then the tendency to also always make sure that that residual income is coming in month after month also is very high. So if you're interested in LeadsLeap, I have the link under this video that you're watching, so feel free to click on it and create your free account. There could be several links under there, but you see LeadsLeap is written there. LeadsLeap, create your free account. Click on it, create your free account. Let me show you what is possible with LeadsLeap. Now, I have created a master class, which I believe is under this video right now that you're watching right now. And it's a master class that teaches you what you should do if you want to start an online business, and the things that are very important for you to know, the things that are very important that you put in place for you to build a successful online business. So it's a 4 days training, okay, and each of these is about 1 hour long. Some of them about 40 minutes long, another one about 30 something minutes long. So you can also have access to that free masterclass, absolutely free, 100%. It's gonna be 4 days. So what you've got to do is you whitelist my email. When you receive the first email, whitelist the email to make sure that day number 3 and day number 4, day number 2, they don't go into your junk folder, or any previous emails that you get, they will not go to your junk folder. So you whitelist your email. If you want to know how to whitelist your email, you don't know how to do that, just check it online, check it on Google, on YouTube, or you send me a message, drop a comment that you want me to make a video that teaches you or show you how to whitelist your email, and I'm going to do that. I'll create a video that shows you how to whitelist any email, so you always receive email from the person. Now let me show you things I've done with LeadsLeap. The master class that I created, so this is the capture page, okay. This is LeadsLeap, okay. I made it in such a way that you cannot scroll up or scroll down, so it's really focused on what is it that the person will get, and then with the call to action, what they should do. So straightforward. So, and it looks beautiful. I created this 100% with LeadsLeap, okay. So, and you can also create this even with a free account. So, and then these are the training that I created, and then you see that is day 2, and then you got another day 1 here, day 1 training, and then you got day 3 where I talk most on the traffic. So I'm just showing you what is possible with LeadsLeap, okay. And then you got another one there, okay, another one there, day 4, okay. So LeadsLeap is amazing, it's fantastic. So check out it if you are interested, you want to do something like that to be using it in your business, feel free to and also if you're interested in my masterclass on how to start building your six-figure, even if you do not know anything about internet marketing, you start from scratch. Okay, income disclaimer, you're not just gonna make $1 million or you make 100,000 or 50,000 or 20,000 out of the blue. So it's a gradual process. If you can make $1, you'll be able to make $5. If you're able to make $5, you should be able to make $10. So as you just keep raising the bar. Okay, so and that is what I teach. So, and in my video you'll see I'll show you some income proof, and then I started making like little money, and then as time goes on, I get to understand what was working well, what was not working well, and then I concentrate on what was working better, and then I scale it up. So, and that's what I teach. So going back to the LeadsLeap account, those are still the adverts that I showed you. So people come here, you click and click and click and click and create your adverts. Now back to inside the main account. So in here, I said you can post free ads, you can post pro ads. So pro ad is for the pay members like me, and then free ads for the free members. Okay, and then they also introduce something that they call corp traffic. Okay, so I've not used that corp traffic, but it's something that I would like to explore. I'll have to check it out. Okay, so like this one is showing $1.27. This one is like, from what I'm clicking, so they kind of like pay me some little cent here and there. So, and then if I scroll down, go to the affiliate side of it, you will see. So you see on the left hand side, it talks about the list builder, email series, broadcast, blog broadcast, YouTube broadcast, you know, rotator, the tracker, everything I talked about on the main page. Okay, and then you also have let me click on the followers. You see followers, and then that's where you get your affiliate tools. Even as a free member, you have your affiliate tools, everything. So you see view, referral, and followers. So if I click on that, okay, a total of 78 people in there. Was it 78? Yeah, 78. So one upgrade there. Most of them are free. So because it allows you to do a whole lot of things, so people just use the free one and they are satisfied, they are happy. So if this is gonna help you with your business, feel free to create a free account, give it a try. And if you think you need more features from the LeadsLeap pages, then you can always upgrade. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks. Bye. Have a good day. Bye.